All right, part 3. This is good versus evil versus AI. The ritual was the setup. Ready for this one? We're going in. This isn't about celebrity deaths. This isn't about, oh wow, Ozzy's dead. This is about what those deaths made space for. Malcolm-Jamal Warner, Ozzy Osbourne, their exits were a ritual clearance. A spiritual eviction of real archetypes, so the synthetic ones could move the fuck in. So, how do I word this one? This isn't just about good versus evil anymore. It's becoming good versus evil versus AI. And if you're not clocking that third fucking player, you're already halfway assimilated to what they're planning on rolling the fuck out. So let's talk about the puppeteers. They're not real humans. And then there are the Muppets. Brainless, soulless, energy-feeding parasites wearing skin suits and fucking titles. They don't have consciousness. They just run on code, and they've been setting the stage for energetic replacement for fucking decades. These Muppets aren't building AI to help you. They're building it to replace everything that still holds a soul frequency. God source, they don't want it out there. They didn't want it the fuck out there. They don't want people waking up. But anyway, let's get back. I lost focus. All right, the channel's coming back. They don't want this message coming out. So when you see Malcolm die, when you see Ozzy die, that's not a loss. That's a scheduled handoff. The archetypes die. The new soulless replacements enter stage right, exit stage left, and boom, they put in something new. What replaces the archetype? Not another human, not another artist, but an AI-generated entity with no fucking soul, no bloodline, no karmic memory. They're replacing black genius with synthetic, digestible diversity avatars. Rebellion with emotionless AI-generated chaos agents. Legacy with algorithmically safe content farms posing as culture. And people bonding to these things, following them, quoting them, and giving their emotional energy to shells, NPCs. AI isn't the enemy, the parasites behind it are. This isn't anti-tech, this isn't anti-virus, because what they're pushing through AI isn't innovation, it's an energetic overwrite. They are removing soul-carrying public figures, flooding the fields with artificial fucking templates, training the public to bond with frequency-dead entities. And if you're here, you're seeing it everywhere. AI influencers that don't fucking age, artists that don't bleed, voices with no ancestry behind it, no feeling, no soul. You can tell. If you got ears, you know that shit. They don't carry trauma. They don't carry memory. They sure as hell don't fucking carry God. And that's the point that they fucking want. This is a soul war disguised as tech rollout. You're not watching cultural fucking evolution. You're watching spiritual displacement. Real archetypes are being cleared out. And what's replacing them isn't neutral. It's engineered submission. It's programming identity. It's frequency-controlled behavior loops. They want people idolizing soulless shells because it lowers the collective vibration. It severs ancestral lines. It creates spiritual dependency on nothingness in disguise. You need to clock this fucking pattern. Death of a real vessel, public grief, parasite-fed AI templates step in, emotional bond transfer, spiritual amnesia kicks in. People stop questioning what has a soul and what doesn't. That's the loop. And they've already done it more times than you fucking even realize. This is part 3. Like they really don't want to get this out and I'm pushing it out. In part 4, I'm going in how mourning itself becomes a battery fuel for the ritual, consent for the system, currency for the next avatar. This isn't conspiracy. This is spiritual mechanics. This is God-coded clarity in a sea of fucking noise. So with that being said, come back for part 4, the last one. I'm going to push through and I'm getting this message the fuck out. Y'all want to stop me? Not happening. Not happening. God's source is overriding you fuckers. Sit and rotate on that one. See you in part 4.